What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it. Today, we doing up a sweet and spicy wing one. We doing up a mixture between Uncle Steve's Shake and Tabasco. We gonna hit it up hard with some Tabasco Family Reserve. This stuff is aged 8 years. You know it's spicy. Then we're gonna hit it up for the rub with some sweet and spicier from Uncle Steve's Shake. And finally, at the end, we're gonna throw on some of this sweet and spicy sauce from Tabasco. Stick around, we're gonna get right to it. Your ingredients for your Tabasco sweet and spicy chicken wings: some chicken wings, some Worcestershire sauce, Tabasco Family Reserve, Tabasco sweet and spicy sauce, some Uncle Steve's sweet and spicier shake, about a half cup of diced onions, and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Alright, we've got our chicken wings here. We're going to go ahead and start off with our Worcestershire sauce. Going to go ahead and add in about 1/4 cup. Now we're going to throw in our Family Reserve Tabasco. Go in with a couple shots. To taste, however you want to do it. However much, fine by me. Throw in our onions. Throw in our garlic next. And throw in a couple tablespoons of Uncle Steve's Shake. We will shake some more on it after we've done marinating it. Go ahead and mix this all up. You're going to go ahead and put this in the fridge for at least 2 hours. 4 is better. We'll check back in with you after this is done marinating. It's been a couple hours now. We're going to go ahead and move on to our next process. We're going to go ahead and start throwing down these chicken wings. They smell so good. Gonna go ahead and throw down that Uncle Steve's sweet and spicy shake on top of them. If you don't know Uncle Steve's Shake, I don't know what planet you living on, but you gotta get you some of this shake. We're gonna go ahead and cook it on the Weber, but this time we're going to use the basket. If you don't have one of these, you might want to get you one of them. It's a great way to cook it. Pretty simple to operate. Just like that. Go ahead and close it. They've been going for about 40 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and pull them now. Get them ready for being sauced, and then we're going to throw them back on for a couple minutes. Alright, wings are almost done. We're going to go ahead now, take them, put them back into a bowl. Throw down a little more of that Uncle Steve shake. Now we're going to hit it up with that Tabasco sweet and spicy sauce. Go ahead, coat them all up. Get them back into the container. Throw this back on the grill. There we go. Oh yeah, we done. And just like that, we're done. Takes no time at all to do this recipe. With everybody liking the flats, leaves the drums for me. And I sure like that. Let's go in for that taste test. Nice and sweet, sticky, spicy, hits the spot. Combination between that Tabasco sweet and spicy with the Uncle Steve sweet and spicier, can't miss. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.